How is it going, guys? It is Tech Tip Tuesday. On this week's episode, we are talking about how to properly tow your car. Let's face it, when we start modifying these cars and tracking them, the chances of them breaking down or us ending up off track goes up. So it's super important to know how to have your car towed and where to hook up. We're gonna start off in the trunk. This is where you're gonna find the OEM tow hook. Obviously, this area is gonna be covered by the trunk carpet, so lift that up and you're gonna find the spare tire in this car as well as the OEM tow hook over on the left side here. Pretty common area to find any tools and tow hooks, so just keep that in mind if you happen to run into any problems. On most modern day cars, you're gonna see some sort of cover on the front and back of the car, and this is where you're gonna be able to install the tow hook. As you can see on this one, I have a hole drilled into the cover so I don't actually have to remove it, but there is a small slot on the bottom. You can stick a flathead screwdriver in there and pry it out, and then you can install the tow hook. But like I said, there's a hole in this one, so we can just stick the tow hook in, and this just threads into the bumper beam. Get that tightened down. You can use one of the tools that's included in the back as well to lift the jack and stick that in there to tighten this. And that is the front tow hook location. Same thing on the back. We've actually got two of these covers on the rear bumper of this car, so you've got two different locations that you can install the tow hook. But again, just a slot on the bottom that we can just pry the cover off. You can either leave this here or take it out, and then this goes into that hole and threads right into place. Now we're gonna quickly talk about the tie down locations if you are hauling your car on a trailer. In the rear here on both sides near the jacking location on the pinch weld, you're gonna see this little grommet here, and this actually comes out, and this is one of the tie down locations where you can put a J hook in here and then tie down the rear of the car. This is on both sides, so you just have to pull out that little grommet like I said, and that is the rear. Now we'll move to the front. On the front of the car, you're gonna see two of these hooks here that protrude down from basically in front of the lower control arm, one on each side. This is where you hook up to for the front tie downs. Now personally, I don't use those tie down locations when I haul my car to the track on my trailer. I have some axle straps that I go through the wheels and cross to the D-rings on my trailer. Those are just the OEM tie down locations. There is a lot of different ways that you can tie down your cars. So do your research and figure out which one is best for you. Now, if you happen to be actually using your tow hooks to tow your car, or maybe you're looking for an aftermarket one, make sure you're not just getting a cheap one from Amazon or eBay that may or may not break on you and cause damage to your car, or worse, injure somebody. You want to make sure that they are properly rated to be actually used as tow hooks. Something like the racing ones that are available on our website are rated for way more than this car weighs, so you know that it's not just gonna snap off on you, and they have a bunch of different finishes as well to match with your accents or whatever you've got going on your car. If you guys are interested in these, I'll leave a link down below, but that pretty much wraps it up, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.